Sa tagal na namin, talagang mapapasabi na, eto na. At higit sa lahat, syempre, dininig ng Panginoon ang dasal ko. At siya na talaga rin.
Uso pa nun ng mga pick-up lines. Ang natatandaan kong tagline niya lagi is, "Knock knock, who's there? Abby. Abby who?" Ala, nakalimutan ko yung kanta.
It's just a matter of time. We're making moves. No stress in my mind. I'm in the groove. All the way to the top with nothing to prove. Just a matter of time. A matter of time.
Sabi ko naman, kumakanta na lang ako eh. Sabi ko eh, you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, Abby. Yun, tapos alam mo yun, yung nakita mo siyang ngumiti, sabi ko, ang sarap sa feeling, ang sarap na, I want this girl, I want to marry this girl. Sabi ko,
Choices to lean out the voices that'll never hurt me. Understand what I can be.
thank you.
I feel like I'm in the middle of something bigger, yeah. So I can take it slow. It's just a matter of time. We're making moves. No stress in my mind. I'm in the groove. All the way to the top with nothing to prove. Just a matter of time.
wala yata. Na Lord, alam mo yung laman ng puso ko. Alam mo kung sino yung gusto kong pakasalan. At Lord, alam ko mas mahal kita. Pero Lord, mahal ko rin tong taong to. Kaya sana, pag-isahin mo kami.
Si Jomer bilang isang partner is wala akong masasabi sa kanya. Kasi, ayun nga, bukod sa siya yung laman na pinag-pray ko, at bigay siya ng Diyos sa akin. Ayun, napakabuti niya at nakikita ko sa kanya kung paano siya minamahal ng Diyos. At yun yung pinapakita niya sa mga tao na sa paligid niya, kahit hindi niya kilala.
Say for better or worse, what I mean in those two words is, here's to the nights that we spent crying, the weight of the world hanging on.
Ang disenyo ng Panginoon, kapag sinunod natin ang design ng Panginoon, God will bless us. And your marriage, Jomer and Abby, will be healthy. Alam ko gusto nyo ng healthy marriage. Kahit sino dito, gusto nyo ng malusog na pagsasama. Lahat tayo rito. Follow the design of God. Ano dapat sa asawa? The wife will submit to husband.
That's what love is.
Ay, yung prayer ko is, Lord, kung may darating man sa akin isang lalaking makakatuwang ko habang buhay, gusto ko galing sa'yo. Gusto ko yung kung paano mo pinirepare siya para sa akin.
You dance me across the kitchen floor and oh, now you're spinning me.
Love, it's been 11 years na tayo. At alam ko na hindi naging madali. Pero isa lang masasabi ko, Sa iyo ko, naramdaman o naranasan ang salitang tahanan.
The nights that we spent crying, the weight of the world hanging on our shoulders. Here's to the days of bills unpaid and being afraid of getting older. Jobs they came and went, so did most. Our friends felt like the rain would never quit, but you took my hand and we slow danced through all of it. And that's what love is. Yeah, it's a promise for a lifetime, more than a ring on our finger. It's more than a night in our story. It's a chapter, it's the day of I do and the happily ever after that. So everybody raise your glass. Here's to the nights that we spent crying, the weight of the world hanging on our shoulders. Here's to the days of bills unpaid. God, I can't wait till we grow older. Jobs they'll come and go, but we'll always know when the rain won't seem to quit. Darling, take my hand and we'll slow dance through all of it. 'Cause that's what love is.